Next is your shoulder to bust point measurement. For your shoulder to bust point measurement, the formula for this is bust divided by 4. That's your bust circumference divided by 4 inches plus 1 inches. It will give you your bust point measurement from your shoulder to bust point measurement. Next is your shoulder to under bust. For us to get this, we have to have the value of our shoulder to our bust point measurement. So take for instance, our bust is 40 inches. 40 inches divided by 4 plus 1 inches, which is 10 plus 1 inches, which is 11 inches. So 11 inches is our bust point. So for you to get your shoulder to your under bust measurement, all you have to do is to add 3.5 inches to your shoulder to your bust point measurement. The value you got, so that is 3.5, your bust point, that is 11 inches plus 3.5. That's 11 inches plus 3.5 equals to 14.5, equals to 14.5 inches. So this 14.5 inches will be the value from our shoulder to our under bust measurement. Next is our shoulder to half length measurement. So for a smaller bust, you are going to add 3 inches to your shoulder to your under bust measurement for a smaller bust, while you had 4 inches for a bigger bust, or if the person is taller. Or you can as well measure it on your client, but this is just an alternative if you did not remember to take those measurements. So it's just like adding 3 inches for a smaller bust to your 14.5 inches, or you add 4 inches to your 14.5 inches if the person has a bigger bust. Next is off-shoulder neckline. So for your off-shoulder neckline not to have this gaping effect, all you have to do is to use your bust span measurement plus 1 inches. So if your bust span is 4, all you have to do is to add 1 inches to it, which is 5, to get the width of your off-shoulder neckline. But if it is 5 inches, you add 1 inches to it, it gives you 6. So that is the area you are going to measure, exactly where you're going to measure your 5 inches. Then you can now curve your armhole line from there. So for your front crotch extension, it's going to be your hip circumference divided by 16 inches. So for your back front extension, divided by 10 inches. Now for your knee line measurement, when you are making a mermaid skirt, or you are making an A-line skirt or an A-line gown, from your waist to your knee, you cannot put our round knee measurement on that part, because it will not allow you to walk freely, or your client to walk freely in it. So you will notice that some of this part goes up, so that the knee, your client will be able to walk freely from it. So that is the formula we're trying to get, where you're going to place your knee measurement so that it doesn't disturb you. So you measure from your waist to your knee measurement. That's the original measurement, which is your waist to your knee measurement minus 5 inches. Your knee, you have 23 inches. All you have to do is to minus 5 from it. If you have 25 inches, minus 5 from it. If you have 21 inches, you minus 5 from it. Bust cup size. So if your bust is from 32 inches to 35 inches, you can use 1.5 inches. If your bust is between 36 to 40 inches, you can use 2 inches. If your bust is between 43 inches upward, you can use 2.5 inches. Or better still, you can as well divide your bust circumference minus under bust circumference divided by 2 to give you your bust cup size. For your round knee measurement, your hips minus 6 divided by 4 inches. You get your round knee measurement. Please note that all these formulas, I have tried them out and they have worked for me several times, and that is what I've been using for a while now, and it has been so helpful to me. So you can have a counter opinion of what works for you. It's all fine and good. So until next time, see you in my next video. Bye.